So next question is, what is DCM in SQL Server? So DCM stands for differential change map. Okay, is a page and is the last page of database. So you can say that it is a bitmap page that contains the bit for every extent and track the extent that have changed since the last full backup. When you took full backup, the byte change reset to 0. Then if there is any back change in the extent after that, byte is changed to the 1. Every gam interval, or in other word, the 4 GB section of the data file have a specific data pages, such pages known as differential bitmap. These pages track which extent any data has changed since last full backup. Extent is 8 physically continuous pages. Okay, so that pages contains the information about that changes.